Future Opti was a project that COS and UPM developed together. It was inspired by UPM sharing global insights and technology updates, and COS were discussing that our customers were continuing to crave products that were truly sustainable. In a meeting together, we came up with this idea of a lighter, plastic-free paper that the Australian market had never seen.
After working with UPM for many years, we knew they were open to innovation. We had a shared vision of bringing value back to a product that had become largely commoditised.
Traditionally, copy paper worldwide has been wrapped in plastic laminated paper to protect the paper inside from moisture penetration. With the new Future Opti innovation, UPM have developed a wrap that removes the need for this plastic, replacing it with barrier technology, deeming the wrap to now be recyclable, compostable and biodegradable. Co-creation has become an important part of UPM's strategy in recent years. This has opened UPM's innovation process up to a wide range of voices that would normally never be heard, allowing us to better understand our customers' needs, drawing on each party's unique strengths in developing bespoke solutions.
The entire process of working together with UPM felt like a true collaboration. We felt we were working together as one team across the globe. We had a shared vision of bringing a product to the Australian market that would make a genuine impact on the environment.
At each stage of the process, we worked with different departments in UPM, from technical, packaging design and the marketing campaign. And each team member at UPM understood the importance of every element to make this project a success. Since the launch of the product, we have removed over 2.2 million wrappers from landfill.
The response from customers has been overwhelmingly positive. They're loving a sustainability innovation on a very traditional product, and we're finding they're connecting with the new future story.
The new Future Opti project highlights what can be achieved through co-creation and the will to make a change. This should act as inspiration for others who see the need of replacing plastic packaging with more sustainable fibre-based alternatives.